Welcome back to Spy Garage.
Although it is a dramatic break from the brand's legendary heritage of producing high-performance sports cars and SUVs, the 2026 Porsche full-time mansion on the go is a captivating vision of luxury, engineering prowess, and technology. Though entirely speculative, this potential car represents a philosophy in which the luxurious comforts and cutting-edge technology of a full-time home are harmoniously combined with the thrill of Porsche's driving characteristics. By proposing a new model of mobile life that is both opulent and dynamic, the name itself implies a rejection of traditional travel. This Porsche mobile home's outside design would be a brilliant example of how to combine style and functionality. It would have to maintain the distinctive Porsche identity, which is defined by its aerodynamic efficiency and clean, purposeful lines, but scaled up significantly. The design would probably steer clear of the boxy, functional looks of conventional motorhomes in favor of a smooth, flowing silhouette that alludes to its performance heritage. Utilizing cutting-edge, lightweight materials like aluminum and carbon fiber would be essential to maintaining structural integrity and controlling weight, both of which are vital for upholding Porsche's performance philosophy. In addition to offering stunning views, large, flush-mounted panoramic windows would enhance the car's integrated, futuristic look. The 2026 Porsche mansion's inside would be a showcase for custom luxury and clever design. Without the limitations of traditional layouts, the inside would be a painstakingly designed haven. The word mansion suggests a feeling of openness and space, with a plan that may be changed to meet the demands of the owner. With custom-designed furniture, premium materials like hand-stitched leather and exotic wood veneers, and a cutting-edge entertainment system, the living space would be a masterwork of modern minimalist design. The master suite would include all the amenities of a five-star hotel, including an opulent en-suite bathroom, and the kitchen would be a gourmet area with top-notch appliances. The core of this mobile home would be technology. Everything in the car would be controlled by a very sophisticated, user-friendly AI system, including the entertainment and security systems, ambient lighting, and climate management. A strong, self-sufficient power system, possibly a high-capacity battery pack with integrated solar panels, would complement the on-the-go character and guarantee long-term off-grid capabilities. With a secure communication center and fast satellite internet, connectivity would be flawless. A custom chassis and powertrain designed to provide a driving experience deserving of the Porsche crest would support this mobile mansion. The automobile would probably have a strong, maybe all-electric drivetrain that offers extended range and smooth, quiet operation, even though it isn't a racing car. No matter the driving conditions, a smooth, stable, and comfortable ride would be guaranteed by an advanced, adjustable air suspension system. This car would be a high-performance machine designed for a select few who want the comforts of an exceptional home along with the excitement of the open road. It would be more than just a luxury living space.